So I shoveled like a little tunnel from my house, and I'm standing out in the street now, so I can just give you an overview of the street. It's still snowing and it's blowing, and it's really something. People are starting to shovel out, but man, I haven't seen this much snow since the blizzard. We finally got some goods and stuff, I gotta tell you, because I actually can't see out of my windows because the snow is all stuck to the windows and I can't see out of them. But that's okay. The snow actually would be a good insulator. So it's gonna, since my house is insulated and everything, it's gonna be really warm in my house for a while, as long as that snow is on top. All right.